Hayf Al-Hajri. I'm manager of project support and engineering from Kuwait Oil Company.
Perfect. And what is the main reason you came here to visit today?
Actually, I'm interested in EPC and project management. This is part of my, let's say, role and responsibility in my company. So I'd like to, let's say, have more experience with whoever is in, have a good experience in EPC projects, and let's say contractors, consultants. So to gain more experience, of course.
Of course. And you already witnessed some presentations?
Yeah, I've attended the 2 sessions. It's really interesting, and I'm looking forward to participate in the remaining sessions.
What did you think of the presentation? Did it expect your expectations?
Yeah, really. Sometimes presentation it's a little bit boring in some areas, but really it was it's straight to the point, and it's really interesting. For me, I was
so not boring?
No, at all, really.
Perfect.
So really, it's this is the first let's say view on the presentation. So I'm interested in the second session. I'm looking forward for the remaining, and I have seen the topics that they are going to present, which is really part of my, let's say, career, and I need to improve it more. So it's really interesting.
Well, that sounds good. And what do you think about the venue?
It's interesting.
Was it easy for you to come here?
It's far away from my hotel, but I know it's not in the center, but it's quite good venue. The arrangement is good, perfect. Even the registration process, it was so easy. So it was smooth, and I'm happy to see lots of companies and visitors from all around the world.
Yes,
I can see, let's say, major companies are participating here, which is really, it will add value to me also.
Exactly, that's very important. I hope you met a lot of interesting people today.
Yeah, of course.
And enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you so much.